In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a bug in Jira. Let's dive right into the process of reporting a bug in Jira, which is an essential skill for anyone involved in software development or project management. The ability to effectively report bugs ensures that your team can address issues promptly, maintaining the health and progress of your project. First things first, navigate to your Jira workspace. You might have a bookmark for it, or you can simply search for your organization's Jira in your browser. Once you access Jira, locate the Your Work section. This area is sort of a command center for everything you're involved in within Jira. It gives you a quick overview and access to your tasks, projects, and anything else you're tracking or need to act on. After finding the Your Work section, the next step is to select your project from the list of available projects. Each project in Jira is set up to track a specific initiative, so make sure you choose the project where the bug has been encountered. Projects are where all the magic happens. Tasks are created, tracked, and eventually resolved, contributing to the evolution of your project's life cycle. Now, with the project selected, you'll need to go to the Issues tab. Here's where all the tasks, bugs, and other items are listed. Issues are the heart and soul of Jira, representing the individual pieces of work that need to be completed to move your project forward. Once you're in the Issues section, look for the three dots typically found on the right side or top of the page. This button opens up additional actions you can take for an issue or within the project. Clicking on this expands your options and gives you more control over managing the work in your project. In the expanded menu, click on Give Feedback. This is a feature that allows you to report any problems directly to those who can address it. An essential step in maintaining the quality and functionality of your Jira workspace. After selecting Give Feedback, you should see an option to report a bug. This is your gateway to notifying your team or the Jira administrators about a problem that needs their attention. Reporting bugs is a critical step in the software development process, ensuring that issues are identified and resolved, thus improving the overall quality of the project. Upon clicking Report a Bug, you'll be prompted to describe the issue. This is where you get to detail what went wrong. Be as specific as possible, describe what you were doing when the bug occurred, what you expected to happen versus what actually happened, and any other details that can help the team address the bug effectively. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for the team to replicate and ultimately fix the issue. Additionally, there's an option to click a box to provide more details or categorize the bug report. This can include specifying the type of issue, its severity, or attaching any relevant files or screenshots. This step is crucial because it helps in triaging the bug, determining its priority, and assigning it to the right team or individual for resolution. Lastly, after you've described the issue and provided all necessary details, click Send Feedback. This submits your report into the system where it can be reviewed and acted upon. By sending feedback, you're contributing to the continuous improvement of your project and helping ensure that your team can address issues in a timely manner. And there you have it, how to report a bug in Jira. Remember, the key to effective bug reporting is clarity and detail. Providing comprehensive information about the issue not only helps in diagnosing the problem, but also in finding a solution more quickly. Your active participation in reporting bugs can significantly impact the success and quality of your project. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.